Good morning, everyone. Happy Tuesday. Hello, hello. Welcome back. Okay. Good morning, everyone. August job. Last month of summer, so guys, wait for September. Good morning, everyone. How are you guys? How's your Monday? How did you spend your Monday? Because yesterday we got straight move up and it was kind of crazy. Here's winter. Where do you live? Didn't trade yesterday. Oh, yesterday in Q was so hard to engage. So hard. I know, it was hard for me. But gold was nice. Okay, let's take a look at the price action. You know, I yesterday drew potential setups that I'm going to be interested in today, and it was something like this. So basically, I'm looking for the hourly fair value gap and hourly OB on NQ. Also, it lines up with OTA, and if I get something like this, so I will look for 5-minute smart money reversal to short, back to discount. So basically move from OT to OT. Like from this move, from this swing high to this swing low, I would like to project OT like this. OT. And from this, I don't know about swing high yet because I don't know where we can reverse, but something like this. That's my plan. Oh, you blew your account. Oh, I'm so sorry to see this. So ideally something like this, what I'm interested in. I'm not sure if we're going to get this, but that's the plan. On ES, exactly same plan. We got hourly fair value gap, lines up with OT. The question is if we may get moved to this hourly fair value gap too short from there. What do you think about this, guys? I would like to see slightly higher first. We're so close to hourly fair value gap, untapped fair value gap. I'm not ready to call this breakaway gap because it's not. So let's see if we get moved up to this hourly too short from there. All the way down to OT, back to 23K. That's the plan. And I would like to short to hourly breaker block at 63.17 on ES. This is what I'm looking at right now. So remember I mentioned on Friday, I was looking for the move up to small daily fair value gap. And actually, yes, we got moved to small daily fair value gap. Price actually just stuck there. And on ES, we have daily volume imbalance, price stuck there as well. So let's see how it goes. Because slightly higher, we have breaker block, we have order block, also we have fair value gap. So you got my idea with NQ, preferable just, you know how it can look like? Maybe it wants to do something like this. And let me zoom out a little bit to show you. And something like this. Oh, it looks ugly. I'm sorry, guys. Something like this. I just would like to see a reversal from this hourly fair value gap, but I still believe in market maker sell model to downside. We have SMT between ES and good highs. Preferably from hourly fair value gap. Let's see how it goes. No reason to predict right now. Waiting for market open. Because as you can see, we just stuck in consolidation, overnight consolidation, still trading inside London range. Yes, exactly. So London low, move up, then short again. Let's take a look at gold. Okay. Yesterday, we got solid reaction from daily fair value gap. Brilliant reaction. Also, we had some sort of liquidity level there. I guess medium time frame hourly buy side. We got move all the way down to sell side liquidity right here, and seems like, yeah, over here as well. So basically move from premium to discount, right? Let me name this because I can forget what this line means. So we reverse from sell side, retrace back to, I would say, equilibrium. So from this swing, no, from this swing I'm going to highlight to the swing low. Yeah, basically at OT right now. We're inside premium. So also we have hourly OB. So guys, question is if we respect hourly OB, specifically min threshold of this order block. And if so, I will look for short back to OT. So basically look for conservative target, which is going to be just discount. Honestly, I wouldn't enter short, even if we might get displacement. So I really look for move from high from PDRA. And yeah, inside daily for a while gap, but since it's consolidation, I believe like expansion, consolidation, expansion, and reversal. So something like this. That's why I'm not maybe interested yet in shorts on NQ, but I guess you got my point. So this 50% means min threshold of hourly OB. Going to highlight this MT 1 hour OB. Going to bring this to the right. Something like this. Let's make it a bit smaller, 16. So I'm going to highlight from min threshold to the bottom of hourly order block the range. And I would like to call this range as target area, not target area, retracement area. Let's see. So yeah, long was brilliant, especially we got sweeps over here from sell side. Yeah, it was slow risk buy. I didn't see this. I wasn't even at home at this time. But yeah, it was brilliant. Good job, who took this long. I came home around like 8 a.m. and already saw like when we already expanded, so it's okay. So miss and miss. So call this retracement area. Once again, the range between bottom of our order block and min threshold. Good job who took this. Amazing job. Guys, do we have any important news? Let me check this out real quick. Today, I don't think so. It's like only 2 days of news, I believe. Going to check anyway. Oh yeah, we have news today at 10. Yes, never mind. We have news at 10. Red folder news. What is L spot? Okay, we have news at 10. This means we have market driver today. At least something, so. So let's see if we take London low first, then move up to London high on ES, preferably even higher to hourly fair value gap and short from hourly fair value gap. That's the plan. Oh, today, let's take a look CL as well. So I didn't even highlight any levels there. So this is our plan from last week, I believe. Yeah, from last week. I'm looking for equal lows. So nothing changed. Plan remains the same. 6409 is my key level. Like we need to drop almost $2. I hope it's going to happen today. We got manipulation up during London kill zone, right? Let's take a look. What we have on hourly? Okay, plan maybe I would like to see a bit pump, then drop. Can we drop today to this? Not quite sure. Would like to see lower, retracement back to premium or this buy side liquidity level and potential sweep to short this all the way down. Premium or a buy side. New week opening gap where? Gold, CL, and Q. Because we have potential 30-minute sweep, as you can see. Also, we have, let's check on 5-minute chart. Yeah, I don't really like this because we don't have like good order block to short this. We do have one, but let's be honest, it's ugly. On any time frame, it's ugly. No, I would like to see a bit more retracement higher first. And probably will short to, I will try to look for equal lows, but I'm not sure if it's going to happen today, but preferably. That's a regional plan. What will happen in reality, we will see. So I'm not ready to predict something. Not that big for now. Just back to New York midnight open. Yeah, yesterday I got a perfect trade on gold on my funded futures account. I was thinking I was thinking like I made 700, but in reality I made less. That's yesterday trade. Anyway, still happy with this. No complaints, right? Just checking my dashboard. That's from yesterday, just shorted gold. Pretty much sold entry yesterday. I just didn't hold for the long. But eventually it dropped to my TP. My TP was at 34.18. So I entered this trade. My TP was 34.18. But as you can see, since it was funded account, I cannot hold this. I would close anywhere 2R. Then no complaints because I saw like it's literally reverse from my final target. I literally closed as 2R and just reverse back to my entry. Probably if I didn't close, it could be break even, most likely, right? And then it dropped. It's okay, so I'm still happy. Multi time frame sweep. It's okay. It's not publicly available, but it's free. Let me share with you. Oh, you're very welcome. Don't worry about this. Trying to connect accounts right now. We'll connect all accounts. We'll pick what I want to trade because Epic loading sometimes so long, especially rhythmic connection. Should I wait is fast, but rhythmic connection is takes so much time to connect them. It's still early on the day. I would like to look for potential M2 model. Nothing to talk about yet because it's still, once again, too early on the day. Nothing significant happened just yet. Good morning, good morning, good morning who just joined. Hello, hello. Yes, Michael. Hello, hello. Got this phone. I was like Apple user for a long time, but yeah, switched. So far, like after Apple, I need time for this. It's kind of hard to use this, but it's okay. I had Apple. It's still somewhere here, but I had this phone for 2 years, and it was so slow. It was so slow for me, and I decided to switch. Like, no reason to buy new Apple, especially like iPhone 17 coming in September. I was like, it's going to be stupid to buy new iPhone, and I was like, okay, let's try Samsung. How are you, Michael? How's your family? I hope you enjoy your vacation. Your, like summer break from trading. Yeah, summer was hard. I'm not going to lie. You have 13 Pro. I had 15. It's still somewhere here. I just don't use this anymore. I don't know where. It was on the desk on Friday. Anyway. So I'm official Android user. Let's see how it goes. Okay, trying to build low resistance to upside, lots of failure swings, right? That's nice for us because we may actually drop to London low first. And let's see if we get smart money reversal from London low to look for potential move up to London high. So Samsung Fold is pretty much like a regular phone. If you traded before on any phone, it's going to be pretty much the same. The only difference is your chart is bigger. Let me show you. Your chart is bigger. It looks like this. See this? It's like small screen, right? But still, it's easy to trade on this. I don't use pencil at all. Like, I don't need this. I know why, but it's big chart. Like, I mean, you can just like fold this back, and then you're going to use like this. Free advertisement. Yeah, it's interesting. Oh, your son has this? Yeah. I like it. Like, easy to use this not only for trading, like overall. Yeah. Also, yeah, I bought the case with pencils that I'm never going to use, like, because it's me. Maybe one day for 1 second I will use this, but okay. Oh. No, I highly recommend to watch ICT channel first, especially core content from months 1 to months 12 first. Oh, you use pencil every day? I mean, I was trying, but I didn't like this. I mean, maybe it's me, but I don't really like this. It's Samsung Fold, I guess, latest version. You just got this phone. That's nice. So we are approaching London low, right? Only yes. Yes, already below New York midnight open, while ENQ remains above this level. Let's see if we get slightly lower first before market open to look for potential reversal to London high. So ES still trading inside London range, while NQ offered break above London highs and reversal. Basically, we have SMT, right? But I still believe we have room to go slightly higher. So basically, we have hourly OB, we have hourly fair value gap, just a bit higher. Overall picture, once again, still consolidation. So I don't think like this SMT makes any sense, honestly, but we will see. So if we get something like this, that's going to be brilliant. I mean, I prefer to even lower, but I'm just not quite sure if I want to short just yet. I mean, I would like to see a London low taken, yes. But probably I would like to look for a reversal from London low to hourly fair value gap and short from hourly fair value gap. iPad, I mean, I do have iPad. It's huge. Yeah, we're waiting for 10. Yeah, of course. No rush. We will see how it goes. Silverboot, we will see. I hope to get something solid. Yeah, I already shared my view on gold. So I'm looking for the test of, I call this retracement area. Basically, I'm looking for a reaction from mean threshold of hourly order block. I'm going to show you right now. So I use this huge up close candle as OB, entire candle. And I highlighted 50% of this candle as mean threshold, right? So let's see if my test mean threshold and it may give us reaction. Yeah. I will keep you updated. I opened gold on my another screen to look at this. Okay, waiting for market open. We don't have any like models yet, like considering potential hourly power of 3 to trade distribution, because I would like to see distribution honestly higher for hourly this hourly candle. But I believe it's still too early. Let's see if we manipulate slightly lower, especially on ES. I mean, maybe I'm fine not to go to London low on NQ, but I do like to see a London low on ES because we're still trading inside this range. Like 3 points away, even less than 3 points away, doesn't make any sense to offer full reversal. But once again, we will see. Love how humble he is. Who is this? I don't think like I know this guy. I need to see the picture, you know, sometimes I just Yeah, thank you, Michael. Thank you, Michael, for insights. We'll see. So maybe we will just stick with gold. Maybe nothing on NQ, yes. He is a great trader as well. Seems like lots of people know him, but I don't know him. Probably I know him, but I just don't remember who is this. Oh, okay. Never heard about him, I guess. Let me Google. Just interesting. I need to see the picture, sometimes just it helps. What's the name? No. Didn't help. I don't think like I know him. It's okay. Good to know. Good to know. I will check his channel. Dun, dun, dun. Still trading above New York midnight open. We still have 10 more minutes. You want to short as open? A reason? You want to see sell right at the open? My ideal plan was something like this. I mean, I also kind of bearish. I still would like to see market maker sell model, at least on medium time frame. But my original plan, like yesterday, not today, yesterday was something like this. Yes, we do have SMT, pre-market SMT, where NQ took London high, ES failed. ES still trading, by the way, inside, overnight range, London range. I'm not going to predict right now. Like, if it wants to create a trap, I will try to act accordingly. About gold, I already said several times. So I'm looking for min threshold of hourly order block, 34.25. And somewhere near this level, I will look for retracement. But back to 16, 15, somewhere there. So I would say I wouldn't mind. I wouldn't mind this picture. Yeah. That's gold. Yes, I call this min threshold. Yes, exactly. This is what I'm looking at as well. I kind of would like to see higher as well. So that's why I would like to look for empty model for long. Yeah, guys, good luck everyone today. Hope no one is going to blow account, including me. We have news at 10. Part of me would like to see, trying my best, part of me would like to see lower than higher to hourly fair value gap. It's like 150 points higher on NQ. And then short, another part of me, still believe in market maker sell model, and maybe it's unnecessary to see a move higher. But I really would like to short from hourly fair value gap. I'm not going to lie right now. From this hourly fair value gap. So basically 465. $425, $465 will be better. So I would say $465 is better for me. But let's try to act according to market conditions. So let's see. Just don't want to predict right now because who actually knows, right? Lower than higher. Yes, exactly. That's my plan as well. Let me clear my chart a little bit. Mm-hmm. Lower, higher, lower. Exactly. That's my plan. Exactly right. Oh, you would like to see right the open sell off. I mean, once again, totally possible. I want to stay away from predicting right now. Okay, your best scenario is manipulation 30-minute range, first present fair value gap, and run towards Monday sell side. Okay, let's see. I got your point. Probably agree with this point. Gold just touched mean threshold of our order block. Let me switch on gold. I'm going to compare with micro gold to see if we touch this level there. Definitely we have, which time frame is that? Okay, 2-minute chart. Definitely we have low resistance to downside on gold. Hope to get a model to trade. Model to trade short. You said wouldn't it be best if manipulation occurs at 9:30 a.m.? Depends where you would like to see manipulation. If you want to short gold without waiting for setup, we call this gambling, right? Chasing the price. No, we don't want to do this, right? I mean, you of course you can. I cannot stop you from doing this. But we want to be smart, right? We want to wait for setup. Let's try to wait for setup, okay, guys? Hello, hello. How are you? Why didn't long? What do you mean? Which one? Oh, long here? Because it's long from nowhere. We don't want to do this, right? Guys, our idea is not to trade every single order block that you can see. Our idea is to trade change in the state of delivery after we hit higher from level. That's why we call this change in the state of delivery, because what this means? Change in something, change in order flow, right? Okay, okay. So we just hit a New York midnight open. As you can see, ES still trading below New York midnight open, still trading within London range. Let's see if we get still a bit lower to long this. Preferably it's London high. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Good morning. Hello, Frank. Hello, hello. You're late today. Yeah, it's. I guess it's smart to just wait for the break of this consolidation and try to act accordingly after this, right? We have news at 10 exactly, guys. So So lots of further swings on gold. That's nice to downside. Then we can look for retracement soon. Just need to wait for setup first. Not blindly enter the trade. Why? Because market doesn't care what we want to see, right? Absolutely doesn't care. Better yeah, exactly, yeah. Approaching London low, still too close, kind of struggling, probably waiting for 9:30 a.m. I don't know why, but probably. Hello, guys. Hello, hello. Good morning. As you can see, gold trying to give us reaction, but still nothing to trade. We don't have any change in the state of delivery yet. Still nothing. I wouldn't sure just yet. CL also offering desired retracement, waiting for exactly the same models that I'm waiting right now on gold. So I didn't decide if I want to trade gold or CL, just waiting for setup. Who is going to first offer setup first? Gold? Maybe CL? I don't know. We will see. So once again, on ES, I really would like to see be trading, be breaking London low, and then smart money reversal. I hope it's going to offer this. Hello, hello. Good morning, guys. Good morning, everyone. Oh, look at this drop. Oh, okay. I like it. I like it. It looks good. Okay, guys, my market is open. Absolutely brilliant move down. The question is if it's really want to display slower, like just drop as I want, but without move to our referral value gap. That's a question. So yeah. I mean, nice move down. I do like this, but I wouldn't mind retracement higher to short from a bit more premium, please. Nice move down. I like it. It was great move down. I'm not going to lie. It was just kind of quick. That's why it's like mixed feelings right now. Mixed feelings, right? What is this? You missed at the open. Who is trading at the open? I mean, I don't know lots of people who trading right at the open. Both took London low. That's pretty much it for now. Let me add 30-minute candles to see what is going on. I see volatility on tape right now. Probably maybe Trump speaking or something like this because that's not normal volatility, I would say. Yeah, it's crazy volatility right now. On gold, I'm expecting a sweep. It's still nothing. Even if it seems like rejection, still nothing. I need to at least see, I don't know, like change in the state of delivery, any signs of smart money reversal. So yeah, Trump was speaking at 8, I believe. I still consider this still bearish. So guys, don't be trapped right now with this move up. Just probably it's smart to wait for any signs of smart money reversal, especially after such a displacement. Still inside 1 minute fair value gap. That's all I see. Yeah, I meant like it's hard for me to trade right it's open. If I see empty model before market opens, then I can engage. But to trade right at 9:30 a.m., normally I'm trying to stay away. Yeah, sometimes you have Judas sync, right, at the open. So, I mean, I'm not saying like it's bad to trade at 9:30 a.m. Of course, it's possible. It's just hard for me personally. Yeah, gold's still pumping, so absolutely zero signs of smart money reversal and sweep model here. So just broke this already order block, going towards the previous day high level. So yeah, zero reaction from the retracement area. Going to delete this for now. Look at ES. It's so choppy right now. And Q looks more bearish, and ES looks kind of more bullish. I mean, it feels like trying to reverse, while NQ feels more bearish still. I prefer to trade gold. Most of my trades taken on gold. Just nothing for me today there, so I'm stick on NQ and ES for now. For SMT, for NQ, I look just with ES. For ES, I look just with NQ because sometimes YM just lives her own life, you know? Not for me, I would say. Trying to see if I get something on seal or gold, but still nothing for me. Gold, doing something like this. We talk about this many times about low resistance to upside or downside. So we got low resistance, then sharp move up or down. That's what I would like to see. So right now we have sharp move up. We need to get first retracement, first leg down, retracement to 50% of this leg down, short to first sell side. That's what gold is doing right now. Looks pretty solid. I mean, on ES and NQ, absolutely amazing action from London low. Let's see if we get 2-minute change in the state of delivery. Closure. above the body because we got pretty much big wick, or we can just use this indicator which highlights all our blocks. A bit more than 1 minute left on this candle. Let's see if we get the closure. Need to get change in the state of delivery. That's, I guess, my biggest concern right now. Waiting for the closure first. Need to get this. No closure yet. Let me move this for now. Let's see what we have on ES. We got the closure on both ES and Q. ES just broke New York midnight open, as well as NQ just did that. So we're trading above New York midnight open right now. So I will look for London high, as I mentioned before, on ES, probably. We got the closure. Oh, by the way, we got the closure with this candle. Oh, okay. A bit different pictures, right? This definitely looks more bullish, as I mentioned before. Check YM. That's why I said, like, it doesn't make any sense to use SMT with YM or something like this because of this. Love it. Almost always when I expect to get like solid move up, YM already did that. Yes, doing this, and NQ is doing nothing. It's like classic picture. We have news in 19 minutes. I'm sorry, guys. So let's see. I'm kind of right now 50-50 if I want to engage in this. We have news in 4 minutes. Give me 1 second. Let me check. It's going to be low impact news, so I wouldn't say it's really important. So here's MT model for long on both yes and NQ. Let me see where's 2R. Let's see if it wants to play out. Yes. We have some flat candles on ES on 2-minute chart. We have news at 10. I remember this, so just be careful. You know, it's thread folder news. Yeah, this order block is huge. Also, we have news in 15 minutes. Let's see what we have on 15-minute chart. I don't really mind to engage, but let's see. Give me 1 second. We have 5-minute order block as well on both ES and NQ. Look at this rejection, solid rejection from London low. We closed above New York midnight open on 5-minute chart. Seems solid, right? I see volatility on dip still. I am trying to retrace, okay. It's okay, so. D58. Should be solid. You long MC model? Basically, I'm looking for a yesterday London high. It was a regional plan, so let's see if my pump's there. We have shift in structure to upside. Yes, looks both M2 model on long. Both offered same setup. Yes, better in my opinion, simply because we got immediate rejection from London low, while NQ was struggling, I would say. Oh, why you closed already? What level you aimed for? I'm from Belarus. News in 13 minutes. As you can see, 9:45 AM news did absolutely nothing. Here's M2 model, right? Let's see if it wants to offer at least 1 hour. Actually, it did already. We got it previous day high, RCH test of previous day high level on ES. We can call this key level. Looking good. Yeah, if you trade fair value gaps, probably you miss a trade. But if you trade order blocks, you got in. So we got some internal sell side liquidity level. Oh, basically that's pre-market high, right? Oh, okay. At 404. Okay, let's see if we break pre-market highs then. So RCHD test, as I said before, RCHD test of previous day high level. That's we call this key level. Normally that's like partial level when you trade ES. You closed 1 hour. Maybe that's smart, you know. Recently NQ offers 1 hour, like always 1 hour. Maybe, I would say maybe it's smart to close 1 hour. We have 2-minute fair value gap. We have some breaker block. Pre-market high failed to be taken. I wouldn't say it's important by 7 points. Like 7 points, yeah. At least 1 hour, that's nice. You said you're shorts in gold. I didn't see gold set up yet. Trying to see if we have something on CL. By the way, yeah, CL does have setup on 3-minute chart. Let me switch on CL to check this real quick. CL, 3-minute chart. Yeah, we have 3-minute order block on CL and micro CL, so both offer it. We have news in less than 9 minutes. Yes, that's right. ICT Kaita from candles by Fadim. Also considering potential sweep, we got 3-minute order block. So I would say we have at least 2 setups for long. So the same entry. So I would still consider this as valid. Just not 2 hour yet. It's just still 1 hour trade. Let's see what will happen next. Because, for example, invalidation of this long can be the closure below sequence of up-close candles. So basically, invalidation is going to be below this blue line. Below this blue line, invalidation of this long. Basically, right at the entry. It's not in sync at all right now. Private market waiting for news? Maybe not. It's still valid long, as long as we above this blue line. So I will call this P like potential or B. Negative, like bearish or B, but it's still valid. Gold never offered setup for a short yet. Just saying. Equal loss on CL at 64.09. You ask me about this. Equal loss or equal loss at 65.21. Which one? 64.09 is absolutely amazing equal loss. That's basically key level. I do like both, yeah. News in 6 minutes. Less than 6 minutes left. Nice RCH test of previous day high level. What they mean by this? Basically open RCH chart, and as you can see, we got RCH test. I'm still bullish to upside. 2-minute flat candle lines up with 2R. I'm looking for pre-market high break. So basically, pre-market high is a partial level. For long, ideally, I already said that. First level, and here's 2R. $4.27. If you long, make sure before news to move at break even, because honestly, you never know if it's going to be like just immediate sell off or just immediate pump. I highly recommend to move at break even before news if you're in this long trade. So invalidation of this long is going to be closure below P means potential. Okay, guys, 4 minutes left. Gold trying to sell off. We don't have 3-minute OB just yet, but if my get is, at least it's going to be potential 20-minute sweep there. You're not crazy, honestly. So I wouldn't mind to see short from London high, maybe slightly higher on ES as well. So we still don't have 2-minute order block, invalidation yet. About to invalidate. So basically we need to get the closure. So it's also P, OB negative. So basically potential negative bearish order block. We don't have it yet. Going to check YM real quick, guys. I love it. Like when we want to see pump on NQ and ES, YM already did that. It's okay. That's amazing. When we want to see the drop, but it's still too early in my opinion on NQ, but once again, totally possible. YM said, I'm going to do this first. Why not? Like OT retracement as potential SMT. I never think I was thinking about this. Never ever. Yeah, NQ pretty strong right now, so we will see. Waiting for news right now to see what will happen. Solid reaction from previous day high level. Basically, we got RTH test. We call this like key level. We got the, by the way, see, we got the closure on ES. So basically, we got first invalidation of long. While NQ, yeah, pretty much strong right now. Let's see what will happen in 1 minute. So far, pretty much boring price action. If you want to short, once again, if you see setup, of course, take this. No one is going to stop you from taking your model, your setup. I want to see pre-market high, I'm not going to lie, so I still probably want to see this. But yesterday invalidated, at least this long yet, in my opinion, invalidated. So we have news in 50 seconds. We don't have 3-minute order block on gold just yet. Guys, news in 20 seconds. We have minor SMT at lows. Guys, 5 seconds left. Be careful right now. We never know what will happen. Just be careful. And what is going on? Yeah. Crazy. Let's see if my close is going to be a potential short opportunity. So let me move over here. Guys, can you please check your MNQ chart? Do you have gaps there? Crazy. It's news, guys. Why are you surprised? Just tell me. New low of the day on ES. We have SMT. MNQ into distant gap. Let's see if it can try to fill this gap. It's still crazy volatility. Just be careful, guys. The market high never was taken. London high on ES still looks good in my opinion. But data seems like bad news data, so it just feels like more bearish. We got the closure, so I'm ready to invalidate this long. Not going to delete this. Just we got OB. Still choppy though. I check CL. So CL trying to drop. Can we drop to equal lows today? The test closure, nice. Gold still nothing. Potential sweep though, so let's see if we get this. Potential sweep. Also, we got the test of this internal order block on 2-minute chart. Yeah, we don't have any order blocks yet. We got test of 3-minute order block on NQ as well. Let's see if MNQ can fill this gap, because it feels interesting. Oh, you guys, did you notice like every single time when we have thread folder news, MNQ and NQ are different. Still no model on gold to short this. Okay, we got, I wouldn't say it's huge candle down on NQ. Just retracing back to the range. So that's pretty much it for now. Yeah, chart is different. Let me open 2-minute chart. Big gap. But didn't news right now, we have bad data, so it's pretty much bearish. But as you can see, market kind of struggling with drop. Okay, we'll give it a bit more time. Not necessary if good news for bad news for NQ, gold will pump. Not necessary, but mostly. Some SMTs at lows, but once again, considering data, it's bearish. Okay. On 3-minute chart, it's really trying to respect the statement OB so far. NQ. We do have SMT at low, strong rejection from London low again. Replikanto is a scam. What's wrong with this? I use this for 2 years. Never had any issue. What kind of issue do you have? Okay, I will stay away from NQ right now, so I don't really like this. I'm not going to lie. 3-minute chart. Yeah. So let's see if I may get order block on gold. So I might switch on gold. Sometimes it's really hard for me to consider YM when analyzing QNES because most of the time it offers early moves and hard to believe in them. Okay, it's kind of choppy right now. I'm sorry, guys. Let's see if we get change in the state of delivery on ES again. Another attempt. Funny to say, but empty model for 10 a.m. also suggests bullish move. Okay, it's choppy right now. We still don't have the closure above the down close candle. Chop. That's all we have. Is chop. All gold needs to do is offer 3-minute OB. MNQ still left this gap. We still don't have any change in the state of delivery on ES. It's still more bearish than bullish on ES. Two minutes left on the 3-minute candle to get another order block to downside. It's only continuation setup they can see so far. What it is. Okay, I'm still waiting, probably sitting on my hands for this AM session. "19 seconds left on this candle." We got first 3-minute order block just yet on NQ. Let's see if it might be continuation. Exactly same order block is going to be on ES with closure below this blue line. Basically, we got sequence of up close candles, right? It's kind of tricky right now, I'm not going to lie. So I'm a bit confused right now. Yeah, I mean, yeah. I will be probably fine with staying away from this AM session. We'll probably try a PM session. Yeah, going to disconnect Epics for now, at least. Because I'm not going to engage on Epics at all. Maybe my funded futures to try something or take profit trader because I have a bigger account there. But honestly, my plan was, oops, my plan was to long to hourly fair value gap. It failed. Because empty model offered just 1 hour, which I'm going to journal and reverse. 1 hour recently offered almost every day for this empty model. Gold is chap. I don't see setup yet there. If you want to short this, I don't see any setup for short. On CL, I do like to see lower. I just feel like I can be wrong with this short opportunity because uh, it doesn't want to displace below London low. That's why I'm like, I feel like it's tricky short setup right now. Especially considering this ES already dropped a lot. Both inside fair value gap, that's right. We have hourly order block at 270. Yes, just ages or hourly order block. Some internal sell side liquidities. Okay, NQ has room to go lower to 270, I guess, because yes, right now this hourly OB. So I wouldn't mind to see maybe SMT. So yes, taking out sell side at 340 and NQ drop into 270 to test this hourly order block. It feels bearish, so that's why I'm not interested right now in looking for any long setup just yet. If I want to look for long, I would like to look from height of intermediary. We just reached a 4-hour fair value gap, but since it's huge 4-hour fair value gap, would like to find something inside 4-hour fair value gap. For example, it can be hourly OB, for example. Also, at this point, ES can take sell side. It can offer SMT. You said gold has equal highs higher. Okay. At previous day high, right? No, not at previous day high level. 34, 35. I see this. So approaching the sell side liquidity level and approaching this hourly OB. I already said, like looking at hourly, I really want to see same short, but from hourly fair value gap, exactly same drop from hourly fair value gap. So let's see if ES might take sell side liquidity level, and NQ can take hourly OB, at least enter this order block. Let's highlight real quick min threshold to see where it is. 263, okay. Yeah, I saw SMT at London High. But still, I didn't change my opinion about this. I'm fine, so come on, like it's okay. Let's see if NQ can enter this hourly order block. So yes, approaching sell side. Just need one more leg down. So yeah, gold just took equal highs, I see. Didn't take sell side yet. We entered 15-minute fair value gap, but once again, we still have order block lower. I would rather wait for order block than fair value gap. I respect order block more than fair value gap, especially if it's hourly. Let's see. So about to take the sell side liquidity level. Okay. Need to touch this hourly order block so bad. Didn't take this yet. Just took this sell side. Okay. Approaching min threshold. Just chill your stop loss if you're shorting right now. It's going to be a smart decision, just trust me. I mean, not bad sell off. Just probably I was wrong with fair value gap. But I still believe like fair value gap looked nice because it lined up with OT. Which order block? You mean British order block on hourly? Do we have that one? We don't have it yet. So we need to wait for hourly closure. It's like 30 minutes long, so at least 30 minutes long wait. So once again, it doesn't really look bad, this sell off. Pretty much we were bearish. Just, I'm not going to lie, I really want to see sell off from this hourly fair value gap. Exactly same sell off. This is why we need to adjust ourselves to market conditions always, right? So we do have SMT right now, not confirmed SMT because we're waiting for order block to confirm this. But we do have SMT at the sell side, right? ES took the sell side, in Q failed. Trying to respect min threshold of this order block almost to the tick. Let's see if we get shift in structure, shift to upside, bullish shift. So we're still trying to respect for our fair value gap, right? We're trying to find something inside this for our fair value gap. For example, it can be hourly OB. I would say it's more propulsion block than order block, honestly. So we got two PD rays, bullish PD rays, but the problem, we don't have any signs of smart money reversal, right? Okay, let's see what we have on 15-minute chart. We definitely have sell side liquidity lower. We have unfilled fair value gap. So I'm going to highlight this part of fair value gap because that's unbalanced part, right? Still feels better, so unless we have any signs of smart money reversal, but we don't have it. I was looking for long right after news, so it invalidated my idea immediately. So it offered 1 hour, so I want to engage at 10 a.m., but once again, it will invalidate my idea immediately. So ES has hourly breaker block at 60T17. Hard to believe in this, I'm not going to lie. I still believe inside market maker sell model on medium time frame, and for for the second stage, no, for the first stage, I was looking this hourly fair value gap, which is normally valid. Don't worry. So smart money reversal. Watch my last video. I explain how to spot smart money reversal. Oh, welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. So that's first key area. And that last one. And only key level I have on ES is hourly breaker block. Honestly, I don't care what other people do, so I'm not going to talk about other people. I highlighted key level on ES, which is hourly breaker block. I don't have any other important levels, so it's still like 20 points away. Well, right inside 15 and huge liquidity void, we have hourly breaker block. That's a good sign. So yes, definitely has room to go lower. So I'm not expecting hourly fair value gap anymore because we already got the drop that I expected. So probably just continue dropping. So I'm not looking for long, at least for now. I don't see any reason to look for long. So let's see if we break 15-minute fair value gap. So it's going to be another, I believe it's going to just free fall towards this. Let me show you what is this actually. So I highlighted this as a breaker block, maybe not perfect example of breaker block, but I highlighted this, so we'll leave this on my chart. Probably we'll get free fall after we can break 15-minute fair value gap. Also would like to pull projections. Trying to figure out which leg I would like to use. I will probably use both. From this swing low to the swing high, basically last move up before reversal. It's already played out, so no reason to use this anymore. And from this swing low to the swing high, so last leg up before reversal. First standard deviation coincidentally right at this level. Must be random, yeah. Always interesting to see when I pull projection and first standard deviation really lines up with key levels. What's the reason to go there right now? You're the drop to OT, almost to OT. It's already trying to offer first stage of distribution on medium time frame market maker sell model. Absolutely no reason. No, I don't see just any reason to go here anymore. It's clearly first stage of distribution medium time frame market maker sell model. No reason to go there anymore. Yeah, once again, I'm pretty much bearish since last week, and I truly believe weekly fair value gap is major draw on liquidity. So yeah, I was waiting for exactly the same short. It's already happened. I mean, setups that I expect to get already happened. Absolutely zero reason to look for hourly fair value gap again. At least right now, it doesn't make any sense to me. Right? Still has room to go lower. Maybe it will offer minor retracement before moving lower. So basically, from the range between 2 and 2.5 to the range between 1 and 1.5, distortion, drop. Maybe slightly higher, but it doesn't really matter. Can be inversion fair value gap, for example, then drop. Still expect anyway, like kind of lower. You said 15-minute fair value gap. A bit too much for me because seems like measuring gap. By the way, let's see where is measuring gap projection. No, I think that's too much to ask. For the 15-minute fair value gap. Totally possible, but once again, normally if we see measuring gap, we would like to see this as open gap. So basically fair value gap at the middle of implied range, right? So I wouldn't so confident with 15-minute fair value gap. A bit of retracement, but maybe not a lot. Yeah, in hindsight, pretty much a good setup for short. I'm not going to lie. I was looking initially from shorting from the statement order block, but as I said before, it was in real time. It was kind of tricky. For equal loss, let me see it real quick. At previous week low level? Yeah, crazy drop. I'm not going to lie. So we got measuring gap projection. So once again, in hindsight, it's amazing drop. Beautiful. Brilliant. Okay, we're going to this hourly breaker block on ES, right? Initially, I was talking about short from 3-minute order block over here. You're funny. ICT said he's going to turn algo back in September, so we need to wait for September. Yeah, this morning I missed perfect long on gold, so missed. So not going to complain about this. So this is also earlier breaker block as we have on ES lines up with forced standard deviation. We got measuring gap projection over here, so I used 15-minute for a value gap. Here's key level, and that's pretty much it. Previous day low level still like 300 points away. It's going to be crazy, guys, if it's going to drop there. So approaching forced standard deviation. Never say it was lucky. It was skill. We normally call this like a skill, right? I will try to trade PM session. So ES just hit hourly breaker block. It's about to hit forced standard deviation. It's just crazy drop, guys, because we drop. How many points we drop? Like 200 points. Okay, not from this tab. I'm going to look from this order block. 200 points. But anyway, no complaints. Market was nice today. I wouldn't say it was ugly or something like this. It was nice. So close to hourly breaker block while ES already took this. It's struggling in Q. First standard deviation also still lower. Look at this hourly candle. Insane candle. Anyway, news was bad. It was bearish. Pump after news was hard to believe in this. Yeah, it's because of abbreviation. You put dot between P and F, like it considers as link for some reason. Once again, I wouldn't say market was bad today. It was okay. Don't worry about this. It's not me. It's bot. Trying to see what level we hit because I'm looking for this breaker block still. $10.50. Honestly, I want to take a break and come back for PM session because after this heavy sell off, not sure what I want to expect. Reverse 9 points away from hourly breaker block. Let's see if we get change in the state of delay for minor retracing, but I believe we have room to go lower. I will start tomorrow again early to trade gold for pre-market. So join tomorrow at 8:40 a.m. So I will try to trade gold. With you guys. Tomorrow at 8:40 a.m. On gold, nothing. I will just start early tomorrow to trade gold. So recently PM session kind of boring. So it takes like hours to get set up. That's why I didn't see like reason to sit for 3 hours to get like 10, 15 points. But I just start early tomorrow to trade gold with you guys. And be done. I hope to be done before market even open. Feels like solid idea. I have models that I shared on my YouTube like 1 month ago how I trade gold. To trade gold between 7 and 9 a.m. and between 9:50 and 10:10 a.m. So I would like to take a break. Yeah, I just recently, like, I enjoy pre-market way more, especially on gold. I will just tune at 8:40 a.m. I think so, to trade with you guys. New York time. So yeah, 8:40 a.m. maybe a bit early, but yeah, I will join tomorrow early to trade. Okay, guys, I probably will be done for AM session. I will just start steaming tomorrow early for gold and CL, not for NQ probably, to be done before market open. I hope to be done before market open. So let's see how it goes. I will see you guys tomorrow once again. Just we'll start early. Don't make stupid mistakes. Market probably will consolidate a bit before another move. 8:40 a.m. 8:45 a.m. probably. I cannot start at 7 because I have kids. I need to drop them to school. So I will start around like 8:45. So yeah. Okay, guys, I will see you tomorrow. Sorry, today was kind of tricky to me. It's okay. So it's okay. No complaints. We always have tomorrow. Right? Tomorrow, I hope gold is going to offer solid opportunity to me. Hope so. So, guys, thank you for watching me. Don't make stupid mistakes. See you tomorrow for gold trades. Yeah. See you guys. Bye bye. What time is this? Oh, it's already 11. Yeah. Guys, see you tomorrow.